Hi everybody, this is your Srinivas. Today, extension of our polynomial graphical representation. Such a topic is nothing but very important topic as well as CBSE State Board. 4 marks scoping area, that is nothing but graph of quadratic polynomial in geometrically. Let us see, children. Here, before going to start the graphical, I want to say one important note point. In previous class we have done about linear equation, how to draw the graphically about linear equation. Such a linear equation will meet the x-axis at one place only. That intersecting point is also known as zeros of the linear polynomial because it consists of degree is 1, it consists of 0 is 1. It is clear. But the shape of the linear equation is in straight line. But what about shape of quadratic polynomial? Absolutely, it is in the shape of parabola. Upwards parabola, downwards parabola. If A is here, A is very important. A is not equal to 0, it is a quadratic polynomial. If A equals to 0, it is not a quadratic polynomial, it becomes linear. So compulsory A coefficient of x square must be not equal to 0. A is greater than 0, the parabola is upwards. A is less than 0, the parabola is downwards. In 3 cases, we have to solve the quadratic polynomial. Now such a one question I have taken here. This question x square minus x is a one kind of a parabola. X square minus x minus 6 is a one kind of quadratic polynomial. We have to find the zeros of this given polynomial in graphically. For example, here I want to tell you a very important point for you. Dear friends, we have done linear equation algebraically, graphically. If you are going to find this quadratic polynomial in graphically, before you have to know how to factorize this polynomial. What is the use of that? Means, for example, if you are not doing any factorization, that zeros you don't know, you can take your wish 0, 1, 2, 3, something whatever it is. You fill the box, you fill the table, you draw the graph. This graph for suppose will meet like this. At one place only, up to here only we are getting the points. The graph is not giving the complete meaning. What about next point? What is the next intersecting point? Here, where it is? It is not clear information for you. In this way, you are maybe, for example, your answer is 1, 2, 3. Actually, intersecting point here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. For suppose, friends, this graph will intersect at 2 and minus 2. For suppose, by taking in your wish the wall is, you are getting the graph up to here only. You want to extend the graph. You should extend the graph like this. This graph will intersect the x-axis 2 and minus 3. But minus 3 is not a zero of this given polynomial. So your answer is absolutely wrong. In this way, we have to make a mistake. Without mistake, you have to draw the perfect graph, perfect intersecting points. Means compulsory you have to go with algebraical verification is very mandatory, dear friends. About this question, what is the algebraical verification, sir? Let us see. Here x square minus x minus 6 equals 0. You know very well, very important process. If you take these product of these two, 1 into minus 6 factors are 1 6 are 2 3s are. It is clear. Which is a sufficient factor? If you product of these two factors equals to this one, and if you add or subtract it, you should get coefficient of x. Coefficient of x is nothing but minus 1. Anything is not there, we should take minus 1. Yes. What are the sufficient factors? 2 and 3 only, because 3 minus 2, we are getting 1, which is here negative sign. So you have to give bigger number is negative, smaller number is first beta. Now you have to check the value. Yes, plus into minus, minus 2 3 is a 6. First condition is satisfied. Clear. Second condition also you have to check compulsory. Minus 2 plus 1, minus 1. Yes, these two are the obviously perfect factors of this given polynomial. Let us see. Now x plus 2, x minus 3 equals 0. These two are the factors. I want zeros. X equals to plus 2 comes outside minus 2, minus 3 comes outside plus 3. So comparison of x plus 2 equals to 0, x equals to minus 2 we should get, and comparison of x minus 3 equals 0, x equals to plus 3 we should get. These two terms, these two zeros are the answer of this polynomial. These two values only will intersecting points. These two values only x coordinates. These two values only zeros of the given polynomial. Yes, we have a idea. Such points you have to keep in this box. Then you should get perfect answer. Minus 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. Minus 2. Yes. Plus 3. You have to keep absolutely. You should get remainder 0. You should get remainder 0. No doubt at all. Such points will touch the x-axis in minus 2 and plus 3. That is your parabola. X square minus 2 square 4. Okay. X square 0 square 0. In the place of x we substitute. In the place of x we have to substitute these values, we are getting y value, right? Like that. X in the place of x I am going to substitute 1. I will get 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. Once again, my dear friends, in the place of x I am going to substitute. We are taking the values are minus 2, 0, 1, 2, 3. What we are getting now after doing the x square? Minus 2 square plus 4, because minus 2 into minus 2 plus 4. 0 square 0 square 0. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. Clear? What is this and a minus x? And x value is all multiplied with minus. So x value is minus 2. Already minus is there. What becomes here? Plus 2. Now x value is 0. Here minus. We should not give any sign with 0. 0 is a universal number. You can write 0 only. Now x is 1. Before minus sign is there. Then minus 1. Minus 2. Minus 3. Right? Or suppose here any other coefficient is there than 1. That coefficient must be multiplied with these all the values. For suppose here 2 is there only. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 1, 2. 2 to 4. Like that we should get the answers in other graph. But luckily we are getting coefficient is 1. Coefficient is 1 only. Same number will be repeats. Now minus 6. It is a constant. So in all boxes you should write this is the minus 6 only. With the sign is very important, friends. If plus 6 is there, you have to write plus 6. Here minus 6 is there, minus 6 only. This is the box, very easy to get the 4 marks. This box is very easy. Okay. Now substitution, this kind of substitution very hard. I hope that. Here 1 square, here 1, here minus 6, 1, minus 1, minus 6, minus 7, minus. This is the process is getting such a time consuming process and time taking process. This is very easy. Right. Now let us observe, friends. I want to take y value. Y value means what are the right side values? 1, 2, 3. These 3 values only. X square minus x minus 6 you should add. You will get y value. Let us see. 4, 2 plus 6 minus 6 plus 6 minus 6 nothing but 0. I said that zeros are the, we will get the remainder 0. 0. Prove it. When you substitute the value, get the remainder 0, that should be called as zeros of the polynomial, right? Remainder 0, friend. Next, 9, minus 3, minus 6, minus 6, minus 3, minus 9 plus 9, 0. Absolutely, we are going to very happily, very confidently in the exam hall, right? 0 plus minus 6, minus 6 only. 1 minus 1, get cancelled here, minus 6 only. 4. Plus 4, minus 2, minus 6, minus 8 plus 4, minus 4. These are the facts. Simple. Therefore, plot the points. Plot the points. X. We have taken x. We should get y. X comma y is nothing but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values we have to substitute. No? We should get 5 order pairs. Minus 2. I am getting 0. If I substitute 0, we have to get minus 6. If you substitute is 1, we have to get minus 6 only again. Now if you substitute 2, you should get minus 4. If you substitute is 3, you have to get 0. Graph paper. We plot the points on a graph paper. We should get, yes, you should get parabola. We should get parabola because the quadratic polynomial is in the shape of parabola only. That curve in the shape of parabola only. Let us plotting the points on a graphical. Let us see. Now x value minus 2, y value 0, and x value is 2, minus 2, y value is 0 now. That means that point should be like on x axis, minus 2. Where it is located? Left side of x axis. Yes, here. Right? Now second point 0 comma minus 6. X value is 0, y value is minus 6. Usually that is located on y axis, negative y axis here. 0 comma minus 6. Third point, x is 1, y is minus 6. Yes, x is 1, y is minus 6. Right? Now fourth point, x is 2, y is minus 4. X is 2, y is minus 4. Clear? Now x is 3, y is 0. Means here. X is 3, y comma 0. Y coordinate should be on x axis, no? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you have to draw the graph carefully. Like this. It is like in the shape of upwards parabola. This given polynomial will intersect the x axis at two distinct places such as 3, 0 and minus 2, 0. Thus we can say that these two are the x coordinates of the points. Such x coordinates are 3, minus 2 are the zeros of the given polynomial. Therefore your answer is, therefore the x coordinates are 3, 0 and minus 2, 0. Finally we can say that therefore the zeros of given polynomial is, we have taken y. The zeros of y are p of x are minus 2, 3. Minus 2, 3. This is the solution, and scale is very important. Very important scale. On x axis 1 centimeter, on y axis 1 centimeter. Yes, on x axis we have to take the values 1, 2, 3, 1 unit only. On y axis also we have to take the values 1 unit only. So that on x axis 1 centimeter equals 1 unit, on y axis also 1 unit. X axis 1 unit increased, and y axis also we have to take the values is 1 unit. This is the scale. Sometimes you have to take 2, 4, 6 like that. You can write on y axis 2 units. Depends on your graph. So this is a complete information about graph. If you fill the box, you will get 2 marks. If you will draw the graph perfectly like this, you should get 2 marks. Totally you will get 4 marks. Okay friends, I hope that you have to understand this kind of graphical representation of a quadratic polynomial. I told you very clearly. Now I have to give the practice questions for you. You have to practice it. That answer I will send in our next video, friends. And you have to do the subscribe our channel and like kind of this beautiful notification you will get in your mobile, and you will get you strengthen your subject, friends. Till then, practice is. Thank you very much.